Hi, this is Duell Green for KCLA 99.3 FM, Los Angeles. Here's a combination that can't be beat. Good food and a bottle of tantalizing, appetizing Paradise wine. Picture a nice, juicy steak, say about an inch thick, surrounded with French fries. Makes my mouth water. And to go along with all that good food, to bring out its full goodness, there's nothing like a chilled bottle of delicious Paradise wine. Remember, Paradise wine adds zest and life to every meal. Paradise wine is available everywhere. Ask for it by name, Paradise wine. It's so good. For the Dream Quest USA Radio Magazine, this has been Duell Green. If I tell you, Wawa Promotion presents the Real Starlight 8th Annual Birthday Ball at Empress Banquet Hall, 5511 Steeles Avenue West, featuring Lava Sound, Fire Kids, Steenie, and more. May 8th, 19 plus, dress code in effect. Info 416-568-6117.
Children, me say, who make the best patty in the world?
Patty World!
Ackee and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, chicken, beef, veggie patty, take out curry goat, oxtail and jerk chicken.
Patty World Bakery, 86 Guided Court, Royal Crest at Highway 27. Take leading road to Guided Court. Call 416-749-6111.
Telephone number 416-749-6111. Me say, who them attack?
Big Rob's Patty World!
Personality.